Kimberly next. Welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new, make sure that you guys subscribe and smash that notification bell to be updated every time that I post. In this video, I'm showing y'all how I get unready at the end of the day with my nighttime routine. I've gotten quite a few requests to make a video like this, and this one is in collaboration with Duvolle's Radiance skincare system, which is one of my favorite skincare cleansing brushes to use. This cleansing brush comes with multiple interchangeable heads that you can use to exfoliate, and I'm gonna link a coupon code in this so that you guys can get it on the low if you want to cop one yourselves. So let's jump straight into this video. Okay, you guys, so the first thing I do is put all my hair into a giant bun so that I can fit it underneath my shower cap. And then I use a makeup wipe to remove any oil buildup and lipstick that I have been wearing throughout the day. I don't wear makeup every day, I only wear lip gloss, so that's the only makeup that I'm actually removing. Whenever I shower, I do not like to shave because it just really irritates my skin. So I like to use the Veet in-shower hair remover cream, and I like to leave it on for about 10 minutes. This one is my favorite one to use, and the results last me about a week and a half before I have to use them again. This is the main reason why I put my shower cap on so early, because I don't like to risk getting any of this stuff in my hair. So if you guys are going to use this, just make sure that you put your shower cap on first. After using this for 10 minutes, it's time to start my shower. So all I use to remove the cream is a washcloth and warm water, and this removes my hair so painlessly. Then I like to shower with my favorite body wash that I got from Walmart. It's almost empty, and also a regular loofah that I also got from Walmart. I also like to use a scrub whenever I shower, and the one that I've been using lately is the Dove exfoliating body polish. This one is the crushed macadamia one, and it smells so good. To exfoliate my chest, my neck, and my back, I use my Radiance spin care brush that I got from Duvolle. This spin brush works so well, and I also use it to exfoliate my face and the little pumice stone that comes with it to exfoliate my feet. The last thing I do in the shower is wash my face, and I've been obsessed with this vitamin E face wash that I got from Target by Soap & Glory. It leaves my face feeling so soft when I use it with my spin brush. After I shower, I like to use a cotton swab to remove any water or buildup that I got in my ears, and my e.l.f. illuminating eye cream to hydrate my eyelids and my under eye area. I also use my acne.org acne medicine because I still get breakouts, and this helps me get rid of them. Then I put on my deodorant, and I like to use the Degree Motion Sense deodorant. And for a body moisturizer, I do not use lotion. I use my Spectrum Raw Unrefined Coconut Oil. I've been using this for about a year and a half now, and my skin just feels absolutely amazing when I use it. Now I like to slip into my pajamas, and I usually just put on one of my fiance's giant shirts. And then I get my curls and I put them up into a pineapple. If you have naturally curly hair, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You have to stretch your curls at night by putting it up into a pineapple. And I cannot go to sleep at night if I don't put Vaseline on my lips. I hate dry lips. So I just had to run back and get my Vaseline really quick. And then that is really all that I do to get unready after a long day. Shout out to my cameraman, which is my fiance. So now I'm just going to do a little jig randomly because I'm so strange. Credit to my Wonderful cameraman.
Pour myself a glass of my favorite wine and watch Netflix until I fall asleep. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.